and bring those images in. You can then move them around with your move tool. You can scale them. You can scale them up here with just typing in a number, so you can say 200%. If you wanted to line it up with something, you can hold Control down and drag, and that scales it in a sort of non-uniform way. If you hold down Control and then click Shift, it'll retain its proportions, which is quite useful. So if you're wanting to line up, I guess you'll pick which one's your sort of hero shot, and you'll say that that one's quite big, stretch over the whole page, or you could, I guess, theoretically stretch it over 2 pages if you wanted to. If you wanted to line things up, you could use the guides, or you could do a transparency thing. So select an image, right click, go to Effects, Transparency, much like you would in Photoshop. Okay, and then you can sort of place that above, and that's another right click. Is it arrange, bring to front, and now you can sort of place that over the top of the other one. Certain point, steers and stuff will line up, and then you can just move your image sort of gently with the up key down. I'm pretty happy with that. Plus and minus on the Control plus minus will help you zoom in and out, and then you can move, and if you hold down Shift it'll move only in one direction. Then we'll right click and go back to Effects, Transparency, turn it back to 100%. So now those guys line up in the X, so we've moved them together. So, well, that's what we want for our layout, that they sort of sit in the same sort of plane in this direction. And then you can sort of continue with your layout like so. You can of course add text to label each of these drawings and images with the text tool, and like in most programs you have a wide range of fonts. Try and choose something that doesn't upset people, like I don't know, Swiss or Helvetica seems to please people quite a bit. Section, and you could say what scale it is, you could change the font size and so forth. That's probably enough. And then I guess if you wanted to do master pages, you can click in here. So you wanted to have like a box that sort of ran across your page that had a gradient fill or something horrendous. Yeah. So you can then drag that here, and you can apply that to different pages. So you have to see that you have the gradient fill on this guy. I'll move that like so. Let's probably get rid of that. That's all pretty bad. Okay, that'll do for that tutorial. Thank you.